guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, we're gonna be making beef curry, right? So I just wanted to give a little introduction just because I didn't really record an introduction. We were just recording, and I am going to be doing voiceovers as well, just in case you hear like background noise and all that stuff. I'm almost done editing, but yeah, let's just get back to the video. On this next clip, I am also going to be adding a picture of all the ingredients that we use to mix the beef and to make the beef as well, just because we didn't really add it in the video. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, he's going to be putting everything in one pot, all the ingredients as well. He already washed and cut up the beef, so that's what he's doing right now. Okay, and now he's going to be adding some onions, thinly chopped onions, and I feel like that's kind of better than to put in blocky onions. It'll make the sauce a little bit thicker as well. At his own lifestyle, his own taste, because a lot of people make it differently. He's adding this, what is this?
It's basically for the flavor. Like,
it's for flavor. It's like salt, but it's not salt. And then he's adding, what is it? Cumin?
Cumin powder.
That's cumin powder. Not Mexican style, it's Burmese style. Now a spoon of turmeric. Is turmeric for taste?
Yeah, for the smell.
It's for the smell. And then what's this one?
This is like the same thing like powder, but it's like everything's mixed, like, you know, to make it.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna add the sweet curry powder. And then paprika. For color or taste?
Both.
For both colors.
Last one.
Now he's adding tomatoes. How many tomatoes is that?
The big ones you add 2 is good. Depends how many pounds. I know the beef are like 1.5 pounds. So it still tastes good if you add like tomato sauce.
Out of the brand, as long as it's not like flavored, it's just tomato sauce. Just to make it thick, like something
like this. It don't matter when they put it, last or first, it don't matter.
You put it before
like
or
much.
after.
So make sure, you know, because this for the smell.
Okay guys, so once you're done with all the ingredients and mixing, he's gonna cover the lid and leave it on high for 5 minutes. This and boiling up, he did mention just mix it a little bit and then cover it again. It's still on high and leave it for 2 more minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes. And it should look kind of like this. And still on high. And you are gonna have to keep checking on it so nothing burns, but it's just to check that it's thick curry and that the onions and tomatoes and everything is all cooked. And we'll be back. So it kind of looks a little bit more
dry there, you see? Water get it dry, so now you have to mix it like.
Okay, you guys, so as you can see, this motion that he's doing, he's trying to crush up all the onion and the tomatoes so it can be like a thick curry.
Leave it like 2 minutes.
Okay, now we cover it and leave it for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, y'all. Okay, so I did want to mention that it is still on high, so you don't want to take it off high just so you can kind of make it thick and so it can cook a little bit fast. The water. Okay guys, so we uncovered it and now we're mixing it again as well.
Okay, now we're gonna come back in 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, meanwhile we're doing rice. That's what it's gonna be accompanied with. So it's gonna be curry with some white rice.
Okay guys, so as you can see the difference between the curry in the last clip and right here, this has been after 5 to 6 minutes. The sides have oil in it and you can see that the gravy is basically ready. Now he's gonna add some potatoes. You want to wait until the beef is done and cooked to add the potatoes, so it can be a little bit easier for it to cook. Okay guys, now we're gonna add like less than a half a cup of water so the potatoes can cook, and we're gonna put the heat on low, and we'll be back in about 5 to 7 minutes until potatoes are soft.
Damn. So it's been about 5 to 6 minutes.
The potatoes are ready.
The potatoes are ready. So you cut straight through. Pretty soft. The last thing he's gonna add is cilantro on the top and mix it through.
It's look like a little bit dry, so you can add a little bit of water.
And if it's dried up, basically what he's saying is you can just add more water and then like wait a little bit more and like boil it.
No, you have to come to like in this position.
So it's basically done. And we're just waiting on the rice.
If you add too much oil, then you can take it out with a spoon.
Yeah. Thank you guys. I'm gonna just show you the finished product. Hold on.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, but we're learning. Bye guys.